And snow across the Inland Empire, leaving some facing those dangerous conditions.
Yeah, KCAL News reporter Nicole Comstock continues our Storm Watch team coverage live in Rancho Cucamonga tonight. How are the conditions out there? It looks dry.
Well, ladies, it is cold out here tonight in Rancho Cucamonga. It's about 46 degrees, but it does feel a little bit colder because we're pretty close to the base of the mountains here. You're right, it has been dry out here across the Inland Empire for several hours now, but all of that rain we got earlier in the day, earlier in the morning, came with a few problems.
Snow in Cali.
Snow in Victorville on this Easter Eve. It was a welcome surprise for Amber White on her way to work in Rancho Cucamonga.
Oh man, I was on the freeway for like about an hour just because of, the snow and things like that. So for the most part, it was just a beautiful view overall.
The clouds lingered down low over our local mountains throughout the evening. And although we're getting a break in the rain for now, all the rain from early this morning filled up our local flood channels fast. By 8:30, a swiftwater rescue crew from San Bernardino County had to drop this boat into a storm drain in Bloomington to rescue 2 people who were trapped in a very dangerous situation in the raging water. Here's a look at all the rain we've received from the start of the storm to the midway point at this canal in Chino Hills. There were several nasty crashes across the Inland Empire during the heavy downpours, including this one on the 91 in Corona and this one on the 60 freeway at Reservoir Street. And drivers were forced to slow down as snow came down along the Cajon Pass. While we wait for the next round of rain on Easter morning, some say any amount of rain always has an impact in their lives.
When it comes in buckets, that's a little difficult, but my main problem with rain is my hair. It just goes flat every time it rains.
Well, I can totally relate with her. I am in the same position every time I'm out reporting in the rain all night long. So hopefully the weather here improves for Sharon tomorrow. If she's lucky, we might only have clouds out here on Easter Sunday. Reporting live in Rancho Cucamonga, I'm Nicole Comstock, KCAL News.